Hello, hi, welcome back to English Gurukul. Today we are going to learn some important medical vocabulary, and all these words are related to doctors, patients, diseases, and some words specially used in some medical conditions. So if you want to enrich your vocabulary, so watch this video till the end. So let's begin. My friend, first word is IV. All of you have heard the word, got this word IV. IV means intravenous. Yes or no? So all of you write it down along with me. First word is IV, which stands for intravenous. Intravenous. Okay, intravenous. Please write it down, my friend. And intravenous is a method of giving medicine, fluids, nutrients, okay, directly into a vein through a needle and a tube. It means a needle inserted directly into the blood vessel or directly into the vein, and through this way medicine is given to the patient. Okay, so and you have seen that a bag is also connected, means it means that a needle inserted directly into the vein or the blood vessels of the patients and connected to a bag containing medicine, saline or other nutrients. Yes or no, my friend? So it is called intravenous, IV. IV means intravenous. So you can make a lot of sentences using this word intravenous. I want to make some sentences over here, that the doctor inserted medicines through IV. Or I can say, when the patient reached into the hospital, the doctor has recommended that he or she need to be taken care of through IV, through intravenous. Okay, and also you can make a lot of sentences. The doctor recommended he need to be taken care of, or he need to be looked after through IV. Okay, so or the nurse inserted medicines through IV. So you can make a lot of sentences. Now my question is to all of you is that I made you understand the meaning of this word. Already you have understood the meaning. Intravenous is a method of giving medicine or fluids, or you can say nutrients, to a patient. And how they give the medicine to a patient? Through a needle and a tube. A needle inserted directly into the vein, or you can say the blood vessel, and through this way medicine is pushed, medicine is given to the patient. So did you understand the meaning? Now after having understood the meaning of this thing, then you can make a lot of sentences using the grammar. And already I have made some sentences, and you can also make from yourself. How many sentences should I make over here? Okay, 2, 3, 4 sentences, not more than that, otherwise the video will be long. So it would be better, you have first of all you need to understand, you have to understand the meaning. After understanding the concept, then you can make some sentences from yourself. Okay, next one, angioplasty. What does angioplasty mean to us, my friend? It is very important medical terminology, and we need to understand this medical vocab. Angioplasty means what? Angioplasty is a surgical procedure or the surgical operation or treatment that opens blocked artery so that blood can easily flow in the body. So that is very important. Yes or no? Have you understood the meaning? Yes, I hope so, that all of you have understood the meaning. It means that it's a surgical procedure. The specialists, the doctors, they do this activity. And what they do basically, if someone have the blocked artery, okay, they open this blocked artery so that blood can easily flow into their heart. So what does it mean? Angioplasty already you have understood. Now you can make some sentences. You can frame out I can also write some sentences from myself that angioplasty. If you want to write, so you can write in your copy, write it down, that the patient underwent angioplasty after severe heart attack. Can you write this sentence or not? Yes, the patient underwent angioplasty. That means angioplasty has been done on this patient, particular patient. Why angioplasty has been done? Because he has severe heart attack. Because he had severe heart attack, he underwent angioplasty. So did you understand the meaning of the word angioplasty? Yes, very good. Next one. Third one is bypass surgery. Bypass surgery. Write down bypass surgery. What does bypass surgery means, my friend? Bypass surgery, it is also a medical procedure, or I can say surgical procedure, or the operation or a treatment that allows blood to flow around a blocked artery into the heart, in the heart. Okay, so that is the meaning of bypass surgery. What does it mean? That it's a surgical procedure, or I can say it's a treatment by which or in which what happened, that allows, after this operation, what happened, that allows blood to flow. Where it flow? Around a blocked artery, or a blocked artery in the heart. So it is called bypass surgery. It's a surgical procedure or surgical treatment, or I can say operation. The operation has been done, is done on the patient. Yes or no? Through which blood can easily flow in the heart. Okay, so that is very important, bypass surgery. So you can also make some sentences using this word. Yes or no, my friend? Using this word you can make a lot of sentences. All of you have understood that through this surgery, through this operation, through this treatment, what happened, around the blocked artery, the blood can easily flow in the heart. Yes or no? So it means that allows, this treatment that allows blood to flow around a blocked artery in the heart. That is called bypass surgery. So you can make some sentences from yourself that my brother underwent bypass surgery 2 years ago. Okay, I can say some patients every day I see some patients, yes, go through the bypass surgery. The doctor recommended, the doctor suggested this patient need to be gone through the bypass surgery. Unless and until this patient don't go, unless and until this patient go through the bypass surgery, he or she won't be cured. So that is the one of the most precious reason he or she need to be gone through the bypass surgery. So you can make some sentences from yourself. Yes or no? So bypass surgery is a medical terminology, medical words, medical vocab, and if you understand the meaning, then you can use it. Or if you don't understand the meaning, so if when people use it, you could not relate it in which perspective it is spoken about. So we need to understand. All of you have understood 3 words. First one is IV, intravenous angioplasty. Third one is bypass surgery. Fourth one is cataract removal. Write down. Cataract removal. Cataract removal. What does cataract removal mean to us? That is also another important medical vocab. Cataract removal means, my friend, it is also a surgical procedure, or I can say operation or a treatment to remove the cloudy lens of the patient's eye and replaced it with an artificial lens. I repeat, my friend, I repeat, cataract removal means it's a surgical operation or a treatment. Why this treatment? What are the reasons for the treatment? To remove the cloudy natural lens of the patient and replace it with an artificial lens, so that this patient's vision can improve. The doctor has done it so that this helps basically improve the vision of the patient. And in order to increase the vision or improve the vision sight of the patient, the doctor is doing it. The patient need to be gone through, they need to go through this cataract removal surgery. Are you getting my point? If I want to make some example using these important medical vocab, few days back, if I talk about my mom, so few years ago, approximately 5 to 6 years ago, my mom underwent cataract removal. Okay, and also you can make some examples from yourself. Yes or no? If you have some problem in your eyes, if you can't see the things properly, if your lens are little bit cloudy, so the doctor can recommend you to cataract removal. The doctor can recommend you, they can suggest you, they can advise you to remove the cloudy natural or the original lens of your eye. Got my point? That is very important word. Next one is C-section, but this word will be discussed. C-section, another word, cesarean section. It is also a surgical procedure treatment. Okay, another word is hip replacement or the knee replacement. So all this word will be discussed, will be addressed in my next class, in my next video. But today, why am I not discussing all the medical vocabs in one single video? Because first of all, we need to understand the meaning and we need to use it. If you within a single day, if you want to consume a lot of content, so you can't. It is not possible to consume a lot of content within a single day. So if I give it to you one by one with small video, so you can easily grab it very easily. Yes or no? So that is my system, this is my procedure to helping you. So my friend, it is my request, it is my recommendation, every day try to learn at least 2 to 3 words. Today I have discussed 4 words from medical vocab. So try to utilize it, try to use it, implement it, implant it in your own career, so that you can easily communicate with others while discussing about medical terminology. So for today, that's enough. Thank you for today. Next day I will come up with more powerful medical vocabulary. Unless and until I finish it, so I will make a lot of videos on the topic of medical vocab. For today, thank you. Have a good day. Wish you all the best. Bye bye. Tata. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.